Today I will discuss another important lean manufacturing tool called Gemba Walk. Gemba Walk is a lean management practice where managers and engineers go to the actual workplace, called Gemba, to observe real processes, understand problems, and identify opportunities for improvement. The word Gemba is a Japanese word that means the real place where work happens. In manufacturing, Gemba refers to places where production activities are performed, such as the sewing floor, cutting section, finishing line, or packing area. The main purpose of a Gemba Walk is to understand real production problems, identify waste, also known as muda, improve communication with workers, support continuous improvement, or Kaizen, and make decisions based on actual data instead of assumptions. Now let's discuss the three main focuses of a Gemba Walk. The first focus is go and see. This means managers should physically visit the production floor and observe the actual work instead of depending only on reports. By observing the workplace directly, they can understand the real situation. The key focus is to observe the workflow, identify inefficiencies, and understand the actual process. The second focus is ask why. Managers should communicate with employees to understand the root cause of problems instead of making assumptions. Two important tools used during this stage are 5 Why analysis and root cause analysis, also known as RCA. The main principle is that a good leader listens more than they speak. The third focus is respect people. A Gemba Walk is not about blaming employees. It is about improving the process. It is not a boss's inspection. It is a problem-solving activity. Managers should respect operators, encourage participation, and focus on improving the process instead of criticizing individuals. Now I will explain the steps to conduct a Gemba Walk. The first step is choose a topic. Before going to the workplace, select a clear objective such as productivity, quality, cost, or safety. Prepare a list of questions to guide the observation. The second step is prepare the team. Inform the employees in advance about the Gemba Walk. Explain that its purpose is continuous improvement, not inspection. This helps everyone feel comfortable and cooperate openly. The third step is focus on the process, not individuals. Observe how the work is being performed instead of judging employee performance. This creates trust and encourages honest communication. The fourth step is follow the value stream. Observe the complete production flow from beginning to end. This helps identify unnecessary activities and opportunities to eliminate waste. The fifth step is record observations. Write down all important findings during the walk. Avoid giving immediate advice or solutions. The information should be analyzed later before making improvement plans. The sixth step is include a different perspective. Invite someone from another department to join the Gemba Walk. A fresh perspective often helps identify problems that others may overlook. The final step is follow up. Share the findings with the team after the Gemba Walk. Explain the observations and discuss the improvement actions. This keeps employees informed and encourages continuous improvement. Now let's discuss the advantages of a Gemba Walk. The first advantage is direct first-hand insight. Managers observe the real workplace instead of relying only on reports, helping them understand the actual situation. The second advantage is better employee engagement. By communicating directly with employees, managers build stronger relationships and receive valuable feedback. The third advantage is improved standardization of processes. Observing how work is actually performed helps create and maintain consistent work methods. The fourth advantage is ongoing improvement opportunities. Regular Gemba Walks make it easier to identify waste, solve problems, and continuously improve the production process. The fifth advantage is higher employee morale. When managers spend time on the production floor and listen to employees, workers feel respected, valued, and motivated. In conclusion, Gemba Walk is one of the most effective lean manufacturing practices. By going to the actual workplace, observing the real process, asking the right questions, and respecting people, organizations can identify problems quickly, eliminate waste, improve communication, and build a strong culture of continuous improvement. Thank you.